Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Last video in the yellow shirt. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing our Boxyluxe for June 2021. This is a quarterly subscription. It's an upgrade to your regular Boxycharm box. So every 3 months, yes, every 3 months you pay an extra $25 and you get a couple extra items in your box. So I think it's like eight full-size products, something like that. I could be wrong. I can't quite recall how many products I'm supposed to have in here. If you're new to my channel, I am a cruelty-free YouTuber, so if at any time while I'm filming, if I don't know something's cruelty-free, I'll be sure to display it on the screen right here for you, as well as the full-size value, add it all up at the end, see if we're getting a good deal or not, okay? Yeah, let's just go ahead and open this box up. Alright, so right on top is going to be this card with the theme, which is Dare to Dazzle. And looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 products. I was right, you guys. 8 products. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and pull out this thing that I'm pretty sure is leaking right here. Oh, maybe? I don't know. The bottle looks like it may have leaked a little bit, but then I see it's got plastic on it. But this is an aromatic hand wash from Smith French Dublin. Never heard of this brand. It's like, I don't know anything about this brand. It's not saying anything about being cruelty-free or anything. Hand wash is kind of weird. The scent is fresh green leaves. It kind of smells like fresh green leaves, but I don't know. That's kind of a weird thing to get in here. But I'm not mad about it. I have a lot of makeup and I can always use hand wash. $25 though? Yeah, I'm not going to pay that for a hand wash. Or soap. Like, why do I keep saying hand wash? Because the bottle says that it's hand soap. Yeah. It's lovingly made in Ireland, so that's cool. Helps to clear the mind, energize, and inspire. So I guess every time I wash my hands, I'm going to feel inspired. Okay. Whatever you say. Alright, let's just pull this next thing that I know for sure is not cruelty-free. This is from NARS. This is a blush, and this is in the shade Orgasm. If you are new to beauty YouTube, this is like the blush. Well, it used to be. I don't think it is anymore. I've never even seen this in real life because I've never tried anything from NARS, but people would like, I don't know, love this blush. I just want to see what the color is. Oh yeah, I wouldn't even like this. So there it is. It's like shimmery. I don't want a shimmery blush, me personally. I like a matte blush. I kind of want to try it just to see what all the hype is about, or was about. I don't think people are still using this, but people used to like go crazy for this. Full size is 30 bucks. I think that's very overpriced for this blush. It's very small. Yeah, I've never tried anything from NARS though, so let me know. If you use NARS, do you like that brand still? I know it used to be like the brand that everybody wanted, like NARS and I think it was MAC, right? Like those were the two brands, but I think NARS is kind of like past its prime. I don't know. Okay, let's pull out this smushed box. So this is from Avant, which is cruelty-free. This is a hyaluronic lactic vitamin B3. Sorry, it's a hyaluronic acid replenishing lip serum. I don't know why I keep reading all these words that describe it instead of like what the actual product is. So, well, I guess your lips age. Hyaluronic replenishing lip serum. I don't know. It seems kind of weird, but I'll try it. It doesn't really smell like anything. It's just, I don't know. It feels like putting a serum on your lip. Like, it honestly feels like a serum. So, like, if you take a face serum and you put it in a tube, like, that's what it feels like. It has no scent, though, so I'll use it. Maybe at nighttime? I don't know. That's very interesting. Let me see what the box says when you're supposed to use this. Smooth, evenly over lips as needed, may be used under lipstick or alone. Okay, I'll give it a try. I don't want my lips to be old. The value on that is $122. Are you kidding me? Alright, sorry if the angle changed. I think I kicked my camera a little bit here, but I really had to use the bathroom, so that's what I went to do. But as I was saying, the value on this is $122, which I think is the most ridiculous thing I've ever heard of. It's literally a serum. Yeah, serums are expensive, but this is like a third of the amount of serum you get for your face, and it's for your lips. I literally can't with this box. Okay, moving on. Let me know what you think of that, because honestly, that's stupid. Okay, let's pull out this next thing. This is something wrapped in plastic that has, can you see the soap that leaked on it? So this is from Luxie, which makes brushes. So let's see what we have in here. Oh, cute. So it looks like I have 4 brushes from Luxie. This one I definitely want to keep because I don't think I have a brush quite that small. I don't know if you can even tell what that is, but it's very, very thin. So that is a eyeliner brush. So yeah, I definitely want to keep that. I love the color of these. That is, so like I said, that's the 219 eyeliner brush. This one, which I think I have so many of, is the 211 concealer brush. Pop it out so you can see. It's just a flat brush. The next one is a 205 tapered blending. I have quite a few of these from Luxie. They're fine. And the other one is a 213 eye shading brush, which I think I have a couple of these too. I don't know. I like that they're green though, so I don't know. I'm going to think about these. And then there's also a sponge in here, which I haven't been using beauty sponges, to be honest. I've been using actually that It Cosmetics brush that I got, I think in a Boxycharm. I can't quite remember. This feels nice, so it feels like a beauty blender. I like the color. That's interesting. I wish the case was green, but it's purple. I'm going to think about those. I definitely want to use that eyeliner brush for sure. And the sponge I'll probably keep just in case. I might get back into the sponge thing, but I've been really on a brush kick lately. I find that you use less product and you waste less product with those. So that's kind of why I've been doing that. But there's those. The value on that is 40 bucks. I think that's a little bit of a ripoff for, well, maybe not. 4 brushes and a sponge. Why can't it be like 30 bucks? I don't know. I feel like when you bundle, it should be cheaper. What do I know? Let's pull out this thing. This is not cruelty-free. This is from Dr. Brandt. This is the Say I Love You with Pride Triple Antioxidant Face Cream. So now we have Pride Face Cream. There it is. I mean, I like that, but I'm not going to use it because it's not cruelty-free. It's probably super expensive. I don't even know if this brand's good. I've gotten a ton in subscription boxes, but I've never tried it. $64 for a face cream. Yeah. You're fine. I know. Josie's pissed too. $64. Can you believe that, Josie? Josephine. Can you believe that? No, she's acting like she wasn't mad, but she was pissed when she heard that. Crazy. All right, let's pull the next thing. This is cruelty-free. This is from Earth Harbor. This is the Sunstone Hair Revive Elixir, which I've only gotten face stuff from this brand, so I'm excited to try something a little bit different from them. Let's see what a Hair Revive Elixir looks like. It's crazy because they're all like a little bit different color. It's like almost like I'm getting all the Infinity Stones from Marvel's Avengers. So now I have a yellow one. It smells kind of good too. I don't know what that scent is, but it smells very nice. Like nice and mellow sort of smell. Like it's not overpowering or anything. Let's see. So fortify, nourish, and revive dull or damaged hair using superfood nutrition of seaweed and coconuts, anti-pollution properties. So when massaged into your scalp, Sunstone promotes a flow of positive energy to hair follicles. She is the perfect herbal tonic for tackling dry scalp, scraggly ends, and worn strands. Area of sunshine in your hair care ritual that was created with all hair types in mind. So it says smooth 5 to 15 generous drops over hair ends and strands. Keep in for as long as needed for at least 10 minutes before washing out. For extra benefit, leave in. Scalp treatment, massage 5 to 10 drops at the root for 3 minutes, leave in, or wash out. I'm going to try that. Sometimes I get like a little bit of like dry scalp, like dandruff, I guess is what you'd call it. So I'm curious to give that a go. I wonder how I bet an oil would feel nice on my hair. I'm getting it done soon, but I need to get these ends cut off so bad. So hopefully for July's videos, I'll look a little better than what I have been looking. Get some more blonde up in here. But anyways, I don't know why I'm telling you that. This I'm excited to try. I really like this brand quite a bit. $30 is the value on that. A little bit expensive, but it is an oil. Oils tend to be expensive. I don't know. I'll give it a pass because I really like that brand. Okay, and it looks like, let's see. All right, let's pull out this thing. This is from The Word. So this is Woke Cool Steam Eye Mask, and it's in this big box. I'm so curious to see what this is. Oh, I thought it was going to be weird. It's not that weird. So, I mean, it might be a little weird. Okay, so I have hot and cold gels, so reusable warming and cooling gels, which are these. And there's like little balls in there, like little gel balls. Okay, oh shoot. And then there's like 3 packs of these Steam Session, Reduce Dark Circles and Puffy Eyes. So I think it's just like those. Okay, so sorry, let me start over. Remove a pair of heat cells from the package and insert into eye mask sleeves, which is this, sorry. Patches will warm up within 30 seconds. Use immediately. Wear mask over closed eyes while warming commences. Relax for 10 to 15 minutes. Dispose of used heat cells. Eye mask can be reused as a regular sleep mask without inserting heat cells. Cool. So it has like little openings on the top here that you put. I kind of want to open that, but I'm scared because I don't want to use it right now. So maybe I'll give this a try. And then these are the cooling ones. I don't know why I just did that. I don't know if you put these in the fridge or what do you do with these? Oh, so it says heat clear gels and microwave on low for what? What are these? I don't know. This says something about heating clear gels in the microwave, so I think that's these, but I don't want to put that in the microwave. So it comes with a hot eye mask, reusable heating and cooling gels, and the use anywhere, anytime heat cell, single use. So it must be 2 packages, and each one has 1 for each eye. So, okay, sorry, that's a little weird. I don't know. I'll give these a try. It's a little gimmicky in my opinion, but I mean, I'll give it a try. I'll try it once. I don't really deal with dark circles, I don't think. Let me know what you think, but I don't wear concealer or anything, and I do get puffy eyes though, so that helps. Or that should hopefully help with that, but I don't know if I had dark circles, I just don't care. It's just my face. This eye mask thing was valued at $49.99. Alright, we have one last item in here. This is a palette, I believe. Okay, so this is from Ciate London, which is cruelty-free. This is the I Am a Woman, What's Your Superpower? Some sort of palette. I really like this brand a lot. They have a lot of interesting things. I really love their watermelon stuff. I don't know. Okay. Whoa. Okay, so this is a huge palette. There is 24 shades in there. And a lot of them are very similar. And normally I would not, I mean, not that I don't want to use this. I really like this palette. I'm really drawn to this. But I feel like I am not really into big palettes right now. But for some reason, I'm considering using this. I have probably most of these colors, but they're all named after like iconic women. There's Harriet Tubman. There's Ella Fitzgerald, Amelia Earhart, some people I don't know, Ruth Bader Ginsburg, Marie Curie, is that how you say her name? Eleanor Roosevelt, Rosa Parks, Frida Kahlo, Sojourner Truth. So I'm kind of into like the theming of this, like cool women. So I'm probably going to use this. I'll go ahead and swatch. Let's go ahead and swatch a couple of the shades that I'm kind of drawn to for some reason. Like there's a couple of glitter shades in here that are kind of cool. So we'll do a glitter, sort of shimmer. Let's do, for some reason, I hate purple, but I'm kind of drawn to this like plum sort of color. And we'll do a pink or a mauve, whatever that is. They are kind of powdery, I'm not going to lie, but there they are on my hand. Oh, they're sort of, okay. Let's just do it on my arm. Oh, that's nice. And I go back and forth when I swatch because that's realistically how you're going to use eyeshadow. So those are not too bad. I mean, I'm not going to lie. They are not the greatest swatches in the world, but I'm not into like really complex eye looks really anymore at this moment. Not that I ever really was. I'm not like some sort of professional over here, but I don't mind. Like my eyes don't have to look perfect, you know? If it's a little chunky, it's okay. I'm a little chunky, you know? So I'm not mad about it. Now I have glitter all over my arms though. So I really like the packaging on that though. Like, and I don't know, I'm excited to try it. I haven't been excited about a palette in quite a while, and this one inspires me. So definitely excited to give that a go. The value on that is $45, which I think is very fair for 24 eyeshadows. Honestly, I don't think that's a bad price at all. There's also this little pamphlet that was in there that has basically information about every woman name that's on the palette. So if you've never heard of the woman, you can look into it. I think that's pretty cool. Okay, let me add everything up really quick. Okay, so the total value of the Boxyluxe is $405.99, which is actually a really good value. But this is ridiculous, $122 for serum for your lips. I think that's ridiculous, and I know this box, I'm not sure if you're aware, but this box has been known to put counterfeit products in here. Not in the way that it sounds, but like they will have a Chinese company make this and it's not really made by the brand. Does that make sense? So I guess that really is just counterfeit. I think the one that was really talked about was the Storybook Cosmetics thing. They said that was a fake, the eyeshadow palette that was, and there was some other skincare item that was like valued at $100 and it was not the legit item. So I don't know if any of this is counterfeit. I don't know about the Avant thing. I don't know any of it, but I just know that this box has sort of had a bad rep for like using fake stuff, but I don't know. I'm not saying anything in here is counterfeit. I'm just saying allegedly they have been known to put counterfeit products in their boxes. Anyways, that's all I have for today's video. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up for me. If you want to see more videos with me, with my dogs, with makeup, with unboxings, all that stuff, hopefully some different stuff coming soon, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.